Yeah, it's been a good week. Obviously, we had the weekend off. Boys freshened up a little bit, but it's been a normal week since then. So preparing like normal, like another game. Obviously, it's a massive game. It's a semi-final at home. You know, something we've worked hard to get, and we're looking forward to. Especially in front of our home crowd. Hopefully, they turn up and give us great support as well, because it's going to be a good game. Obviously, that's nice to know in the back of your mind that we beat them 4-1 last game, obviously in Adelaide as well, which is a difficult place to go to. But you know, semi-finals are a different ball game. That goes out the window. It's just about, you know, make sure that we do the right thing on match day. Remain focused. Don't give them chances, because they do have good players up front, and defend really well. And when we get the ball to do our stuff as well, play well with the ball, and you know, we have enough goal scorers in our team to score goals. Yeah, he did a great job last week. Well, 2 weeks ago against Brisbane. I thought he made some great saves, and that'd be great for his confidence. So yeah, he knows what's in front of him. He's been very focused for the last obviously 2-3 weeks. That he knows he's got this great opportunity, and I'm sure he's going to take it again, because it is a great opportunity for these young boys stepping in. You know, both very good options, and both will play bits in the games. So you know, I'm looking forward to both of them being out there at some stage and doing what they did against Brisbane. You know, they both worked hard for the team. Obviously, Harry ended up scoring the goal late on, but you know, I thought Retro was very good as well. No, that's definitely not a concern for us. I think we have enough experienced players. You know, they've been there, done that before, so they know what we're up against. We know we've had that week off before as well, coming into games. You know, that's it's important that we do get off to a good start though. You know, because we have had that week off. You know, they played last week Adelaide as well, so they'll be ready for it. They'll be up for it. So we have to match their intensity obviously early on. But yeah, no concerns about that.